are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here to share with you guys what I created using the Paper Craft Society Christmas box. If you guys remember the video from yesterday, I am part of a challenge called V.A.S.T. Christmas Box Challenge, and the participants all will be linked in the description box below. But V.A.S.T, V-A-S-T, is an acronym for Veronica, Audrey, Sheryl, and TMIKA, and I will again have those links down below in the description box. If you didn't see yesterday's video to see where we all started from, please do check it out. Check out all the ladies' channels. Also, pay special attention to Audrey's channel, who is So Good All. She will be giving away one of these boxes to a lucky recipient. So be sure to check out her channel for all of the rules and requirements to be able to be eligible to win that box. So to sum it up, we were all given this box by Audrey, and we were to create something with it, our take on what we wanted to create. And we could use 3 stash items in addition to whatever we wanted to do with what the contents are in this box. And then we also included that was free is plain cardstock, any liquid bling like stickles or Winkostella or Spritz or anything that was included, and adhesive. That was all included. So if we used a die or we used a file, that was part of your 3 items from your stash. So let me show you the 3 items that I used for my projects. I used acetate, my favorite acetate. That will be linked down below. I used some of these, it's basically bling pieces that I used in there. And then I used a die set. So this counts as one, it's a set. I only use the large and the medium one, but that's what I used. This die set, this, and then some acetate. So let me show you what I made. So cute. This is so adorable. I love it so much. So I used some white cardstock, heavyweight, 110 pound. I always use this cardstock. I'll have that link down below in the description box. Folds up like that. And then I layered it with some foam adhesive in between. But if you look closely, if you remember, in the die set yesterday was a Cracker Jack box. So the pieces that were left to cut out, I used, here, I have some here, I used as a faux embossing technique to lay them on top of the card. So I just lined them all up, row after row after row after row, and I just think that is so adorable. So that's like a faux monotone embossing situation happening. And then I made this into a shaker. So that's where I use my acetate piece. And so I just layered all of the, this is a die from the box, the wreath die, cut it out multiple times and made like a wreath. Also this little bow is from there. Stickles is included with the liquid bling. So 2 of my pieces are in here that I use, which is the acetate and the bling pieces. So I thought that was super cute. I dare not show you what the wreath looks like because I had to hand cut those circles because I can't use a die. So it's really just a circle that I cut, and then I cut the middle out, and then I just put the wreath around to cover it. So it's a great way to be creative in what you need to do, and you can't even tell. So that's the first card that I made. And this is the second card. I did the same technique, only I use more of those little diamonds. That is so, I love this so much. Layered on pop dots. Have a little bow up there with the stickle as my bling that I want to use. On the inside, I stamped Twinkle All the Way and then added some extra little twinkle stars on there. All that's from the kit. All right. And then the last thing that I made that I'm so proud of. It's so cute. And no, these are not flower dies. I hand rolled these, hand drew, hand cut, and hand rolled these flowers because I already used at this point two of my items that I had to use. So I already used my acetate, and I had already used my bling there and my dies. So that was it. So I used my die to cut out the window that you see here with the acetate. I have stickles around the edges. This die was a part of the kit, and then I hand drew and hand cut these leaves, only later to realize that there was a tiny little leaf die in there. I'm like, I didn't even see that, but these are bigger, and I drew them and I cut them out myself, folded them up and put them on there. See, I don't think I did too bad. I just don't think I did too bad. So yeah, and I added stickles all around my little roll flowers. They're so cute. And then I have pattern paper all around the side. I used cardstock from my stash to make this box top and lid. Cardstock we could use, so plain cardstock. That was part of it. So I used a sheet, or two sheets, one for the lid and one for the box of cardstock. So let me show you what I did on the inside. All right. So when you open it up, it's a great gift to give someone. You have your little nutcrackers, and you can put goodies in here. So I have added the base paper and then pattern paper on top of all of these, all the way around. I used the bells and the ribbon from the kit. I fussy cut out, they had these little 3x3 cards in there. I fussy cut that out to have like a little embellishment on it, and then pop dotted on the top. And I did the same thing for this one. Merry Christmas. I fussy cut out the rocking horse, added 2 bells, and then the ribbon was in there as well. Super cute, double layers. I think this is so adorable. And then you can shove whatever you want to shove in there as your goodie that you're going to give to someone. So those are cute. This is the box top, and then, or the lid. I love this. This is so adorable. I love it so much. And then of course we have our creative embossed, full embossed. A little bit extra work to do it, but still worth it all the while to be able to hand make your stuff. So now that I know I don't need the dies, I miss them so much, but I thought that that was pretty creative. So thank you guys all so much for watching. If you can take a moment to like this video, that would be great. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to check out all the other ladies' channels, which will be in the description box. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.